Joining us now from the Alliance Defending Freedom, that's the firm representing the Seattle Church, is Kevin Thiero. Kevin, so what more can you tell us about this case?
This case is really about the state trying to force churches to act contrary to their religious convictions. And of course, churches shouldn't be forced to fund abortions, but that's exactly what this law does.
Do you think this case shows a double standard regarding religious liberty and separation of church and state in any way?
Certainly it does. I mean, this is the government intruding on the affairs of the church, and not only churches, but all religious organizations are forced to fund abortion in violation of their convictions. And a church shouldn't be required to include abortion when in its healthcare provision for its employees just because they cover maternity.
So what makes the state think churches should be required to include abortion coverage in healthcare?
Well, they mistakenly believe that abortion is part of healthcare, but abortion is not healthcare. They of course, think that abortion is vital in order for a woman to be able to be successful, and that's completely contrary not only to what many women in our organization and in the church believe, but it's contrary to the fact that women can have successful lives, and we can protect women through childbearing without forcing them or coercing them to participate in abortion.
So, Kevin, what is the end goal in this case? What are you hoping to achieve here?
Well, we want to get this law struck down because it coerces churches to violate their religious convictions. And we are hopeful that the judge will see this as an opportunity to protect religious freedom and for what it really is, and that's the state of Washington imposing their beliefs on a religious organization, a church.
Now, we know that this church is involved in this lawsuit. Are you hearing from others who would want to join suit?
We are. We've talked to several different religious organizations that are affected by this in the state of Washington due to some technicalities in the way that the law is worded. It doesn't. It only applies to churches that employ large churches, like, for instance, Cedar Park, that have a school and employ about 180 people. So not all churches have that many employees.
All right, Kevin from the Alliance Defending Freedom, thank you so much for your time. We'll keep us updated on this case. Thank you.